everyone? Driving Motorsports here, back again with another real wheel horsepower video. I got a skyscraper next to me. This is Tay. This is his beautiful 1JZ VVTi GTE S13. Tell us a little bit about the car.
Thanks, man. Yeah, I had the car for 6 years. I've had the engine for a while, but ran it on stock ECU for a long time. So we just put bigger injectors in it, a Link ECU, rebuilt turbo from Drift Motion. There's no factory wiring left in the car. It's full fuel cell, single piece drive shaft. It has an R154 behind it, but it's a drift car. So it's got all powered by max suspension. It's low as hell. But it's never really run right, which is why we're here.
So we just remoted in with Josh from California, 2,700 miles away. Josh will be back here soon, but this was his last remote in tune, so he tuned it all up, and let's see what she made.
Suspense.
Guys, wow. I know Tay's happy because the car hasn't really ran like this in how long? Ever?
So I've never done a dyno pull with like a fully functioning tune and a proper ECU. So I've heard what they're supposed to make stock. I had some ideas running on. I had an Apexi D Jetro in this before and it didn't really work right. So I didn't know what to. I know 1Js can make like 4 or 5 with not much. So like I had ballparked 4. But 330, I think, is what we made.
Yeah, 330.
And that's super reliable. We're going to be able to bang off the limiter all day long, which is what I want because it's a drift car.
Yeah,
so
330 and 333 for torque. So
beautiful.
Dude, and it sounds great.
Well, there's about
It's
this
a
much
1J.
exhaust pipe,
Yeah, I
too.
know.
Dude, thank you.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Super stoked.
Is there anybody you want to shout out?
Well, we'll have a longer video of this session on my YouTube channel, Liftarc Studios, Liftarc Studios. That's my metal fabrication company, but we're going to put this video on there. And if you need anything JDM, come to Driver Motorsports here in Rustburg. They are the mecca for JDM performance and
Tuner shop.
And rad JDM right-hand drive Land Cruiser. So come on down.
Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more. Let us know what you want to see in the contents, and can't thank you guys enough.
Thanks for watching. I'm going drifting. Bye.